What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing great and I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, as you read the title, we are going to talk about multiple time frame analysis when trading Forex. I'm going to show you how we can use the multi-time frame analysis in our advantage to be able to make some profits trading Forex. So if you're interested in this topic, make sure to stick till the end of the video to get the most value out of it. But before we start the video, guys, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on future uploads. Also, feel free to share and like the video. And if you have any questions, please drop them down below. I always make sure to reply to every single one of you. Also, feel free to join my free signal group on Telegram. You can do that by clicking the link down in my video description. And also, the people that want to join my mentorship and want to learn my strategies or book a one-on-one session with me, you can do that by DMing me privately on Telegram. You have my Telegram username link down below as well, okay? And lastly, the people that search for a good broker to trade Forex, even crypto indices, I highly recommend you to check the broker I am using. You have the sign up link down below as well. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So what does multi-time frame analysis mean in the first place? Well, that means not trading on one single time frame. Let's say trading on one single time frame, the M15, meaning that all your analysis, support, resistance, supply and demand, trend lines, fibs, whatever you trade is only on the M15. You don't drop a time frame for confirmation, you don't go up a time frame for trend direction, you don't do any of that. You only stick to one time frame, okay? But multi-time frame analysis can be used to for different things. Either, let's say your M15 is your main time frame, you can use the H1 or the H4 to see the trend, and then for entries you can go on the M5 to get a refined entry, even though your main time frame is the M15. Okay, this is what multiple time frame analysis means. Or with other combinations, let's say you are a swing trader. Okay, so your main time frame will be the H4 because that's where pretty much you enter, that's your entry time frame. But you will also look on the daily and on the weekly to see where the market is heading to, and that's how you will base your entries. Okay, being a swing trader, it's all about combination. If you're a scalper, your main time frame might be the 1 minute, and then or your main time frame might be the 5 minute. You might look at the 15 or 30 for trend direction, and then you might use the 1 minute for entry confirmation. Okay, it all depends on what type of trader you are. Okay, it's that simple. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. And this is pretty much it. This is what multiple time frame analysis means. Now I'm just gonna show you a example that's literally from current market structure. As you guys know, I really like to be as real as possible. You'll never see me scroll back in time, go months ago, weeks ago, to try and cherry pick a good entry. I'm literally highlighting previous market structure that just happened. So for example, let's say on the H4 we look for trend direction and we look for market structure to determine our range. Okay, so we look for these two things. We look for trade direction if we are in an up or downtrend, and market structure to see our range. All right, so firstly, if we look at the chart, we can see that we are in an uptrend. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to use the bar replay to understand exactly what I mean. Okay, so we are here and we look for the trend. As you can see, you can draw a trend line. I don't like drawing trend lines. It's pretty clear to see that the H4 is bullish. Now, as for market structure, okay, market structure means in an uptrend, we're looking for higher highs and higher lows. But for me, when I look on the H4, I like to see clear movements like this one. Okay, look, this is very clear for me. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. Okay, so this for me is a very clear market structure movement. I want to see at least 3 or 4 candlesticks as a retracement to confirm whether that is a lower high or higher low. Okay, I'm saying it again, at least 3 or 4 candlesticks, meaning that if we are in an uptrend and we form a higher high, for me to get a valid higher low, I have to see at least 4 or 3 bear candles form. Okay, so that being said, let's read the market structure here. Okay, so we broke the lower high right here, it's very visible, but where we created the higher high, we didn't create it here because we have only 2 candles as a retracement. We created here higher high, higher low, higher high here, because right here we only have 2 candles as retracement, so that doesn't count. And check this out, check this fake out. It literally broke this higher low, but then it went back up. Okay, so this is exactly what I want to look at least for 3 or 4 candles as a retracement. Here as well, I do not count this as a retracement, only 2 candles, but this is my higher low, and the new higher high is actually here. This is my new higher high, not here, because this higher low is not valid because there is only 2 bear candles. Okay, let me remove that. As you can see, only 2 bear candles. That's not my retracement. So now that we established the market structure as well, we are trading in this range. Okay, this is our higher low and this is our higher high. We are heading upwards. We are in an uptrend on the H4. So knowing that, what we can do now is we can go on the H1, and on the H1 we can mark some zones of support and resistance. Okay, basic stuff. So we have a zone right here and we have a zone right here at the higher low that we can mark up as well. So now knowing this, we can draw our fib, combine it from the higher low to the higher high. As you can see, the golden zone is exactly in this area. So for me, now using the multiple time frame analysis, what I would wait for is I would wait for a pullback into the golden zone, look for a buy, but if this doesn't hold, then I would look for a buy right here. But if both of these levels break, I'm not looking for a buy anymore, because that means that the trend on the H4 time frame changed. Okay, if this higher low right here gets broken and the full H4 candle closes below it, then that means that we most likely have a trend reversal. But till then, we are bullish. Okay, so now that we know this, we already know what to look for. Okay, so we play the market. Let's see how the market reacts to the fire zone. Oh, looks like it didn't held. Looks like it didn't held, so we can just erase this level as well as the fib, because we didn't have a entry on the fib level on the golden zone, however you want to call it. Now our second entry would be the rejection of the higher low if it holds. Okay, if it holds. If it doesn't, and if it does exactly like it did here with the fib level, then I'm just not looking for a buy anymore. All right, it's that simple. So let's play the market. Oh, big rejection. And what I would like to do here is I would like to drop one more time frame. As I said, multiple time frame analysis usually means a combination of 3 time frames. Okay, one trend time frame, one main time frame, and one entry time frame. For our example, the entry time frame will be the 30-minute. All right, if you want to be more aggressive, you could use the 15-minute, but I will use the 30-minute. All right, so right now we see a big rejection. All I want to see is a candlestick pattern, and then I will get in the trade. All right, so as we can see, very beautiful candlestick pattern. Probably if we would have entered on the M15, no, we still would have entered here. This for me would have been wouldn't be enough. So this is where we would have entered the buy. Stop loss right below the wick. And now take profit levels. That's totally up to you. You can be conservative and aim for this zone right here of resistance. You can go on the H1 or you can go on the H4, you know, to choose your targets. That's really up to you. But let's say for some reason you decide to be conservative and you only aim for this resistance right here. I mean small resistance, which will give you a 1.3 R, I guess. Yeah, 1.2 R. Not bad. Not bad, okay? So let's see how this plays out. As you can see, the take profit would have been smashed, and that's pretty much the setup, okay? We never know. We have to wait till the market opens to see if this would have run even further and possibly smash this high right here. But I just wanted to show you an example that literally played out very recently. You know, that's exactly what I wanted to show you, because like this you understand that okay, every single week you will be able to have setups like this based off the multi-time frame analysis. All right, so now that you know this, you can consider trading like this. Okay, of course, if it suits your style, if you already have a profitable system that you enjoy and that you already experienced with, then sure, stick to that. But if you're still looking for a profitable strategy or a profitable system, you can try multi-time frame analysis. It works really good. Okay, I like to use it a lot as well, especially for my signal group. Those that are in a signal group know how I do my top-down analysis. Before I continue with the video, guys, if you are looking for a broker to trade Forex with, indices or crypto, I highly recommend EuroTrader. You can sign up with them by clicking the link down in my video description. This is the broker that I am currently using. I had no issues with it. They offer spreads as low as 0 pips. They have different account types, leverage up to 500, and their customer support is amazing. They have credit card withdrawals and deposits. Everything is very professional about them, so that's why I highly recommend you guys to check them out. Okay, so link is down below. Feel free to sign up with EuroTrader. You guys know that I like to look at more than one time frame, so keep that in mind. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Like, this is a simple way on how you can use multi-time frame analysis in your advantage to be able to make some profits when trading Forex. All right, so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Just a quick recap: all you have to do is determine what type of trader you want to be. For this example, this was more of a day trading setup, okay, because we looked at the H4 for trend and market structure. Then our main time frame was the H1, where we look for possible zones of support and resistance, and then our entry time frame was the 30-minute. All right, so this was more of a day trading setup. As I said, if you're a scalper, you can do the same with the 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1-minute. And if you're a swing trader, you can use the weekly as the market structure and trend time frame, the daily as your main time frame, and the H4 as your entry time frame. That's totally up to you. And yeah, make sure to backtest it, okay? Before trading multi-time frame on your live account, please trade it on a demo, backtest, take your time. The market will be here tomorrow as well, so there's no need for you to rush it. All right, so that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. Also, feel free to share it. And as always, I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.